Hello everyone. Today I introduce you our factory mini excavator model SD12EL. This excavator length have 2.7 meter. This width have 0.930 meter, and this height have 1.55 meter. This excavator have a digging depth, maximum digging depth have 2.6 meter. And this operation are very easy, and seat are very suitable. This have mold hydraulic cylinder, have high force excavation. This bucket capacity 0.06 cubic meter. This have also very smart. This have also Yangma engine. Thank you everyone.